there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you can make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the sleek and sophisticated iRobot Roomba 694, and on the right, the tech-savvy underdog Lefant M210 Pro. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a showdown. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Roomba 694 comes in at a cool $274. It's like the Gucci of robot vacuums. Stylish, but it might make your wallet cry a little. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro is priced at a more budget-friendly $209. That's right, folks, you can save $65. Think of all the extra pizza you could buy with that. So if you're looking to keep your floors clean and still afford to eat, Lefant takes the cake here. Next, let's talk design. The Roomba 694 boasts a sleek, premium look that screams, "I belong in a high-end magazine." It's like the James Bond of vacuums, sophisticated and always ready for action. Meanwhile, the Lefant M210 Pro has a smaller, more compact design, perfect for getting into all those nooks and crannies. It's like the Spider-Man of vacuums, nimble and quick. If you've got a lot of tight spaces, Lefant's got your back. But if you want to impress your guests, Roomba's the way to go. Now, on to navigation and cleaning modes. The Roomba 694 has adaptive navigation and an auto-adjust cleaning head, which sounds super fancy. It's like having a tiny butler who knows your home better than you do. On the flip side, the Lefant M210 Pro offers 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your floors. Plus, it has FreeMove 3.0 technology with 6D built-in anti-collision sensors. I mean, come on, it sounds like it's ready to join NASA. If you want versatility, Lefant wins this round hands down. Let's get techie with smart features. The Roomba 694 can be controlled via the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a day off. But the Lefant M210 Pro? Oh boy, it connects faster to the app, has Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi, and can be controlled via Alexa or Google Assistant. It's like having a robot that listens better than your kids. Plus, you can monitor the cleaning path and schedule cleanings. Lefant is basically the overachiever in a tech-savvy family. Finally, let's talk suction and performance. Roomba 694 has an auto-adjust cleaning head that adapts to carpets and hard floors, which is pretty nifty. But the Lefant M210 Pro has a unique suction mouth designed specifically for pet hair and dirt, making it a pet owner's dream. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a lint roller on steroids. Roomba might be good for everyday messes, but Lefant is the champion for those hairy situations. Based on Amazon reviews, the iRobot Roomba 694 is praised for its convenience and effectiveness in cleaning different floor types, although it has some minor issues like noise and occasional missed spots. It's a solid choice for those who want a reliable, stylish robot vacuum. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro is highly appreciated for its strong suction, quiet operation, and ease of use, especially for pet owners. It's a budget-friendly, efficient option that's great for households with pets and tight spaces. So there you have it, folks. The iRobot Roomba 694 brings the style and sophistication, but the Lefant M210 Pro packs a punch with its tech features and budget-friendly price. Whether you're looking for a vacuum that impresses or one that gets the job done without breaking the bank, we've got you covered. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.